Okay guys, I'll try to explain this really quick because I had a bit of a hard time at the beginning to pop this out, but what it seems like use some nitrile gloves because they grab a little bit on the plastic, and you just push a little bit towards the back until this part starts moving. I don't know if you can see it here, like so. And then when you push back, push this in a little bit, and the front just pop out like that. So it's pretty easy. The original ones were a little bit hard to pull out from the factory, but once you get the original ones out, these ones are popping in pretty easily. And then you just put this one like this, and then you push inside and it's locked in place. So it's a pretty easy mod, and I think they look much better.